am Dick Moeller, and I'm on the Bond Oversight Committee, and I was also on the Facilities Task Force for the district. This project helped us get the schools that we did pick and the ones that are going to go on to the bond this November. I was a general contractor in Walla Walla for many years. 3 of my children went to Wahai, 4 of my granddaughters went to Wahai. So with the Bond Oversight Committee, it's very important to the public because we monitor whether it's the consultants, the architects, and at least the funds also get appropriated in the right directions to get these projects done in a timely fashion and correctly. It's very important this day and age to have total transparency on this funding, and so if there's any question whatsoever, please call the district office.